Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you the gold electroplating process on a silver ring. So let's start the video. Firstly, take 1 liter of distilled water. Now add gold plating chemicals in the distilled water. So these chemicals are easily available in any jewellery tool shop. So if you want, you can purchase them. Now add electroplating salt in the solution and heat the solution till about 70 degrees Celsius. So if you have any queries regarding this video, then you can DM me on my Instagram account or you can leave a comment below. So overall the process is very simple, we just need to follow the steps carefully. Also there are other videos uploaded on my channel relating to gold plating, so if you want you can check them out as well. I have placed the link to those videos in the description box below. So this is the plating machine which I will be using. Dip the ring for about 60 seconds in the solution. So here it is, the plating process is complete. So if you want to know the complete in-depth process of gold plating, then please do comment below so that I can make a video on it later. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.